you, Gina. It was a raining morning, and most parts of Lagos, will I say submerged, but I think we are out of the waters now. The sun is out, and everywhere is looking bright. So, when the closing gong sounded today, the bulls showed that they were in control. The bulls took control of the market. The index that measures the performance of the market, the ASI, had added 0.17% to close at 39,752.19 basis points. Volume of shares at exchange hands today was 262 million units, valued at about 2 billion naira in over 3,869 deals. Moving on straight to the sectorial performances, NGS 30 added 0.17% to close in the positive territory. The insurance sector also closed in the positive territory, adding 1.07%. The banking sector was also positive, adding 0.19%. The industrial goods sector was negative, losing 0.06%. While the oil and gas sector was also negative, losing 1.22%. And the consumer goods sector also closed in negative territory, losing 0.06%. Moving on straight to the gainers chart. Topping that chart is Champs PLC, gaining 7.46% to close at 22 naira, at 22 kobo. We also have Prestige, adding 4.35% to close at 48 kobo. Wema Bank also made the list, adding 3.65% to close at 85 kobo. We also have the insurance firm Mansard, adding 3.49% to close at 89 kobo. The construction giant also made the list, Julius Berger, adding 2.97% to close at 26 naira. We also have other gainers on that chart. Access Bank made the list, UBA, Dangote Cement, GT Bank, and of course FBN Holding. Access Bank is in particular in the news today because they submitted a corporate action to the market today. Anyway, let's move on straight to the decliners chart. Topping that chart is Unity Bank, losing 8.62% to close at 53 kobo. We also have the integrated energy company, Oando, losing 7.03% to close at 4 naira 10 kobo. The big strong reliable bank, Union Bank, lost 8.54% to close at 5 naira. Making the losers chart, we have the cocoa processor, FTN Cocoa, losing 5.77% to close at 49 kobo. The flour miller operating from Tinkan Port in Apapa, Honeywell Flour, also made the losers chart, losing 4.88% to close at 3 naira 90 kobo. In the news today, Access Bank PLC announces as follows. Period ended 30th June 2021. An interim, that is proposed dividend, an interim dividend of 30 kobo for every share of 50 kobos, subject to appropriate withholding tax, will be paid to shareholders whose name appear in the register of members as at the close of business on Thursday, 16th day of September 2021. There is no bonus. The closure dates, the register of shareholders will be closed on Friday, 17th day of September 2021, which means that today is 2nd of September.
Yes.
So investors can still take advantage if they're interested in partaking in the dividend of Access Bank. Qualification dates Thursday, September 16. So you must buy on or before September 16th for you to qualify for the 30 kobo interim dividend. The payment day on Wednesday, September 29, 2021, dividend will be paid electronically to shareholders whose name appear on the register of members as at Thursday, 16th day of September 2021, and who have completed the e-dividend registration and mandated the registrar to pay their dividend directly to their bank account. So this is what we have been discussing, dividend awareness. So please, if you have not done that e-dividends, please make sure you do it quickly. E-dividend registration. Shareholders who are yet to complete the e-dividend registration are advised to download the registrar's e-dividend mandate activation form, which is also available on their website www.accessbankplc.com. Of course, so you complete the form and submit to either the registrar, their respective banks, or any Access Bank branch. It has been made very easy, so you can fill it and submit to the Access Bank branch nearest to you. Unclaimed dividend warrant and share certificate. We will always continue to talk about this. Shareholders with dividend warrant and share certificate that have been remain unclaimed are yet to be presented for payment or return for validation are advised to complete e-dividend registration or contact the registrar. So if you have not mandated your accounts, please do that, or you get in touch with the registrar. And if you don't know the particular where registrar is, please contact your stock broker. Okay, thank you.
All right, that wraps up the report for today. We'll go for a short break, and when we come back, we'll go into the Investors Education Series. It's still your number one business radio.